When you search for the best windshield cell phone mount, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Kifatan Car Phone Holder. First up is the Kifatan Car Phone Holder, priced at just $9.99. What caught my attention? It's a bestseller with over 16,300 reviews and a solid 4.3-star rating. If you want a reliable phone holder that won't break the bank, this is worth a serious look. This mount is super versatile with its ability to attach to your windshield, dashboard, or air vent. Its 8.1-inch telescopic arm extends for a perfect viewing angle, while the one-touch release feature means you can easily grab your phone even while driving. The strong suction cup uses heat-resistant TPU material, ensuring it stays put even on bumpy roads. Plus, it's compatible with almost all smartphones and thick cases, which is great if you've got a case like mine that just won't quit. Now, some users complained about the suction cup losing grip over time. Here's the thing though, with proper installation and occasional cleaning, it should hold up just fine. So if you're someone who tends to move their mount around, this might require a little more upkeep. This is perfect for you if you need a budget-friendly, flexible option for your phone. Skip this one if you want something that's extremely high-end or have a lot of heavy-duty needs. Honestly, for the price, it's a fantastic deal. Now, if the Kifatan's maintenance bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, VANMASS Strongest Suction Mount. Next is the VANMASS Strongest Suction Mount at $25.99. This mount has an impressive reputation with a 4.4-star rating from over 70,600 reviews. If you want something that's been trusted by over 9 million users, this deserves your attention. What makes this mount stand out is its military-grade suction power that can hold over 85 pounds. You'll really appreciate that it can withstand temperatures from -40 to 194 degrees Fahrenheit, which is perfect if you live in extreme climates. Plus, it comes with a 120-month refund or replacement support, so you know you're covered. Now, a few users reported that the installation process can be a bit tricky, especially if your dashboard isn't smooth. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable mount that won't budge during your drive. Skip this one if your car has a textured dashboard, as it might not adhere as well. The value for such a high-quality product is definitely there. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a dash-mounted holder. Product number 3, Kifatan Dash Mounted Holder. The Kifatan Dash Mounted Holder is next, priced at just $9.97. With a 4.4-star rating and 19,100 reviews, it's another bestseller that caught my eye. If you prefer dash-mounted options, this is a great contender. This mount offers strong suction and an upgraded air vent clip, giving you flexible installation options. The 360-degree ball joint allows for maximum viewing flexibility, which ensures you can adjust it to your preferred angle while driving. The one-touch release is also super handy when you need to grab your phone quickly. However, some users found that the suction loses grip after some time, especially in extreme heat. Here's the thing, though, if you maintain it by cleaning the surface and the suction cup, you shouldn't face major issues. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly dash mount that still gets the job done. Skip this one if you're looking for something that can withstand heavy usage or extreme weather conditions. For under $10, it's a solid choice. Now, if you're still looking for something a bit more advanced, the next product might be just what you need. Product number 4, VANMASS Military Grade Phone Holder. Next, we have the VANMASS Military Grade Phone Holder, also priced at $25.99. With a 4.4-star rating from nearly 50,000 reviews, it's another strong contender in the market. If you're looking for durability and reliability, this one is worth considering. This mount is rigorously tested to meet military-grade standards, meaning it's built to last. The larger suction cup and enhanced adhesive technology provide unmatched grip, holding your phone steady even on the bumpiest of roads. Plus, it's compatible with almost all smartphones from 4 to 7 inches, making it a versatile choice. On the downside, some users mention that it can be a bit bulky compared to other mounts. But honestly, if you're looking for something that prioritizes stability and safety, this isn't a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you need a mount that can withstand tough road conditions. Skip this one if you prefer a more compact design. For its price and quality, it's definitely a solid investment. Now, if you're open to a magnetic option, wait until you see what's next. Product number 5, Coolpal MagSafe Car Mount. Finally, we have the Coolpal MagSafe Car Mount for $14.99. It's rated 4.6 stars and has a solid 4,400 reviews. If you own a MagSafe-equipped iPhone, this one's a standout. This mount features a powerful magnetic hold that keeps your phone secure during your drive, allowing for easy installation on your dashboard or air vent. The strong suction cup ensures it stays in place even through sharp turns or bumps. However, some users noted that the magnetic strength might not be enough for larger devices without a MagSafe case. But honestly, if you have the right setup, it holds remarkably well. This is perfect for you if you want a flexible, easy-to-use magnetic mount. Skip this one if you don't have a MagSafe-compatible phone or case. For the price and functionality, it's a great deal for MagSafe users. So there you have it. We covered the Kifatan car phone holder, the VANMASS strongest suction mount, the Kifatan dash mounted holder, the VANMASS military-grade phone holder, and the Coolpal MagSafe car mount. Each has its strengths, so consider what fits your specific needs best before making a purchase. Happy driving!